Alright guys, Frank 450, we are live with the third break of the evening. So the first two box break were pretty awesome. Well, another nice hit. Be sure to stay tuned for SPX. I'll have a huge announcement for upcoming breaks. So we are here with the third box, 1536 Series 2 1617 double box break. So there we go. There we go. Start with a young gun of Brandon Carlo, Boston Bruins. Next, we have a jersey. I'm going to just put it aside so I want to make sure you want to see it correctly. Of Justin Bailey. You have a canvas of Aaron Ekblad. Panthers. Was a good Aaron Ekblad night. We have a Chris Bigra portrait for the Colorado Avalanche. We have a young gun for the New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal. Love the kid, he's going to be really good. We have a marquee rookie of Edmonton Oilers, Jesse Pujärvi. Which would be good also, but I don't think that Edmonton handled the case with him correctly. We have a young gun for the Arizona Coyotes canvas, Christian Vorak. Arizona Coyotes OPG Retro, Dylan Strome. We have a young gun for the Anaheim Ducks, Brendan Montour. Where do we have next? Marquee rookie, Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian Aho. UD portrait, Tampa Bay Lightning, Braden Point. We have a UD exclusive for the Chicago Blackhawks, 20 out of 100, Jonathan Toews. Young gun for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Frederick Gauthier, which was a first round pick. It's pretty deceiving for a first round pick. We have a marquee rookie foil, Jacob Chychrun. We have a UD portrait of Troy Stecher, Vancouver Canucks. We have a OPG update, Milan Lucic. We have a young gun for the Arizona Coyotes, Dylan Strome, which is burning the juniors once again. We have a Boston Bruins UD update, retro David Backes. So many base cards. We have a UD canvas, New Jersey Devils, Taylor Hall. We have a UD marquee rookie, Kevin Labanc. We have a young gun for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Dominic Simon. Rookie UD portrait, Justin Bailey, Buffalo Sabres. UD canvas, Washington Capitals, TJ Oshie. And the last pack. We have a marquee rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. So that must be the first box of the evening, which is not really good. Alright, second box. What do we have? We start with a young gun for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Soshnikov. We have a marquee rookie foil, Jesse Pujärvi. Rookie Beauty Portrait, Steven Santini. We have Anthony D'Angelo, marquee rookie for the Arizona Coyotes. We have a young gun for the New Jersey Devils, Miles Wood. We have update retro PK Subban, OPG. Nashville Predators, of course. We have a young gun for the Boston Bruins, Zane McIntyre. We have a UD clear cut, Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Barrie. UD canvas, Flyers, Braden Shen. We have rookie UD portrait of Blake Spear, New Jersey Devils. We have a young gun for the Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. We have a marquee rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Tyler Motte. UD canvas, Vancouver Canucks, Henrik Sedin. We have a marquee rookie of Zach Werenski. We have a young gun for the San Jose Sharks, Aaron Dell. Rookie UD Portraits, Winnipeg Jets, Zach Sanford. UD Canvas, Carolina Hurricane, Justin Falk. We have a marquee rookie for the Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. UD Canvas, Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. Vancouver Canucks, retro rookie OPG, Troy Stecher. He's an excellent chair. Pretty good. Used to play with him. We have a young gun for the Edmonton Oilers, Drake Kaguala. We have a OPG of David Backes. We have a UD portrait of Zach Werenski, Columbus Blue Jackets. And the last pack. Oh, well, we end this in a nice fashion. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, they with the cup. Oli Mahata. Nice hit for the Pittsburgh Penguins. So this is it for Series 2. I will be back in about 5 minutes with SPX Case Break 16-17. Thanks, guys.